Watch this video and learn how to draw Kermit the Frog from the Muppets.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. How are you today?
Very well. How are you?
Oh, well, I'm also very well, thank you.
Good. Yeah. Good.
Are you excited to make art?
Yeah. Very excited.
Are you ready to draw Kermit the Frog?
Yeah. Okay.
Kermit's one of your favourites.
Yay.
Hello, Artie and friends.
Good day, everyone!
Okay, Artie, I know you really like Kermit the Frog, so make this a really good drawing, okay? Oh, good. This is going to be a fun one, Artie. Let's start by drawing Kermit's left eye. We'll draw the top half of a circle and then connect the two bottom pieces with a sort of smiley curve shape. That's it.
Do you think Artie will create another masterpiece?
I bet he will.
Now let's draw the right eye. Do exactly the same, Artie. The top half of a circle, and then the bottom part is a sort of smiley curve shape. Very good. Now let's draw Kermit's pupils. He has very distinctive ones.
Okay.
Draw a line across the middle of the eye. Make it a little bit thicker. That's it. Now draw a circle in the centre. Really good start, Artie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. That was very helpful. Now let's draw Kermit's right pupil. Make sure you shade that little circle in really black, Artie. That's it, all the way. Now let's draw the left side of Kermit's face. A nice big curved line coming up from the bottom and stopping at the eye. Do the same on the right side.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Best day of my life.
A little line between the eyes for the top of Kermit's head. Now let's draw the bottom half of Kermit's face. A nice big curved line all the way across. And on the right side too. You missed a little bit at the bottom, Artie. That's it.
Can you tell what it is, little artists?
I can't tell.
Let's draw Kermit's mouth. Follow his left cheek all the way up. And then go all the way across. A nice smiley shape. Now follow his right cheek all the way up. That's it.
Oh.
Dance break? You want a dance break? Okay, go on then, Artie.
Clap along, little artists. Come on, little artists, let's all dance.
I adore your shoes. Do you like mine? I got mine on... 10.
What a wonderful dance break, Artie. Good job.
Right.
Now, should we get back to drawing Kermit the Frog?
Okay.
Let's draw two little curves, one on the left side of the mouth and one on the right. Now, I think Kermit needs a tongue, otherwise he won't be able to taste those flies that he likes to eat. Perfect tongue, Artie. Now do a straight line down the middle. Let's draw Kermit's famous collar. Draw a V shape on the left side. Now draw another V right next to the first one.
That's fantastic.
Wow.
Let's keep adding V's, Artie. There's number 3. Let's do a number 4 in the middle. Another V. All these V's are hard work, aren't they, Artie? One last V and Kermit's collar is complete. It looks really good. I think it might be finished. Are you all finished, Artie? I think it came out really good, but it's going to need some of that famous Kermit the Frog green colour.
Do you think he should give it a splash of color, little artists?
Only if he uses his markers.
Really good job, Artie. It came out so good. I love the green you used for Kermit's face, and the yellow for his collar, and the bright red colour that you used for Kermit's mouth. I know you love the Muppets, Artie, and Kermit's your favourite. What a great job you did.
Hey, bye, kids. See you later.
Bye, kids. See you later.
Thanks for watching, little artists. Have an arty day. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.
Bye.